So student, today now open page number 51. Page number 51 you see. Let us explore. Let us explore. See page number 51. Try the following and find out which set of teeth would you use. Try the following and find out which set of teeth would you use. So let's explore. Now find out which set of teeth would you use. Would you know that you have the teeth, four type of the teeth: incisor, canine, premolars and the molars. So here which type teeth you are using for the different for which purpose? Because all the teeth, different type of teeth are used for the different purposes. So we have to see the first to bite an apple. Suppose you want to bite the apple, can you which type teeth you use? Or you can see that you see the small child who has lost is the front teeth, like the incisor. Can he bite the apple properly? No, he cannot bite because the front teeth are used for the biting the food, and front teeth are called the incisor. So these are the incisors. These are the incisors. Incisors are used for biting. If we are eating the bread, we also bite with that or the incisor. So incisor is used for the biting here. To break a nut. Second one, to break a nut. Which type teeth used to break the nut? Which type teeth you used to break the nut? So you know that two teeth, premolars and the molars. So generally we use the teeth that is called the molar. We can also use the premolar, but generally we use the teeth for this purpose as the molars. We can use the teeth premolar or the molars. It is the better to use the molars. We use the teeth molars for the breaking the nut. So molars are used. More teeth may be used: molars and the premolars. Premolars and the molars Both teeth may be used. And next one, to take out covering of the sugar cane. To take out covering of sugar cane. Next one, to take out covering of sugar cane. You're chewing the sugar cane. So first, which sugar cane is very tough. So which teeth used for the removing the cover of the sugar cane? So for some time we use the teeth, the incisor also. Incisor may be used, but generally we use the premolars. We use the term premolars. We use the term premolar for the taking out covering of the teeth, covering of the sugar cane. And next one, to chew raw carrot. To chew raw carrot. If you want raw carrot, for chewing we use the term molars and the premolars. We use the term premolars and molars. So these are the teeth and which are used for the teeth number. Look at the teeth in a mirror and make a chart. So the incisors, canines, premolars and molars. How many teeth do you have? So it is activity for you. Look at your teeth in the mirror and make a chart. So the incisors, canines, premolars and the molars. So you make a chart. Next activity. So we are going to start a new lesson and we can see this lesson and lesson let us explore. After this lesson we can start a new lesson and that is the 1, 6, 8, 11, 13, 8, 11, 13. So we can start a lesson that is the soil. Today we can start a lesson soil. So you take the page number 65. Soil. Next lesson you have to see the page number 65. Soil. Page number 65. We have to study this lesson 65, page number 65. So you open page number 65, 59, 60, 65. Soil. So now page number 65, soil. Pre-reading questions. What can be seen in the pictures below? A picture is given here, and you have to observe. So first you see stones, and others having the sand. Next one is the humus. Next is the pot with the soil, and other the pot or the pot that contains the plant. So see the diagram and try to understand. Where do all plants grow? Where do all plants grow? All plants grow in the soil. They grow in the soil. Some plants also grow in the sandy area, and but ultimately they are grown on the soil. So to tell students, the aim of this lesson is to tell students about different kind of soil. What is the aim? Aim of this lesson to tell students about about different kinds of soil. Different kinds of soil. Process of soil. Second one, process of formation of soil. Process of formation of soil. Third one, the reasons for soil erosion. The reasons for soil erosion, and the way to conserve soil. The way to conserve soil. In this lesson we will study, so you read these lessons, so we can discuss this. So thank you for today.